Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to view your credit report in Rocket Money. So you can view your credit report in this app after activating the credit score features and completing identity verification. Along with your credit score, Rocket Money provides access to your Experian credit reports including the account details and recent credit activity. So to view your credit reports in this app, you will need to first open the Rocket Money app, then just scroll down on the dashboard to the credit score section or tap more and select credit score. So if you haven't activated the feature yet, you will need to tap in Lock My Full Reports or Get Started. Then just enter the social security number, the SSN, or the individual taxpayer identification number, the ITIN. Then just complete the identity verification process, and once your account is verified, open the credit report section to review your information. So your credit reports includes details such as open credit accounts, loan balances, payment history, credit inquiries, public records if applicable, and the other information reported by Experian. So to keep your credit reports up to date, you will need the Rocket Money refreshes your credit information regularly, so that's allowing you to monitor changes to your credit reports, review factors affecting your credit score, receive alerts about significant updates such as a new account or inquiries. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.